Hello everyone, I've been promising for a while to do a little bit of a cooking video. So today I'm going to make just a very simple basic breakfast, and welcome to Cooking with Technodad. So the first thing I need is an apron. No. I guess 70s housewife. 50s housewife. Can't we do something more masculine? On my world, it means hope. That's too masculine. There we go. Grill sergeant. All right, let's make some bacon. I like to get the thick cut bacon. Beep, beep, beep. 400 degrees in the oven. Take the bacon. I like to cut it in half. That's a good argument right there for the knife sharpener. I like these nice big cookie sheets. And these cookie sheet liners are really way better than you would think. I was very skeptical at first, but they are really great. Then you just take a plate full of bacon and drop it in the oven. So now that the bacon's in the oven, we're going to make pancakes. You need to turn the heat on the pan before you start doing all of this stuff so that the pan will be hot enough when it's time to start making pancakes. So there we go, we got medium. We got the burner on medium. You can do your own mix with your own flour and baking powder and so forth. Or you can just buy a boxed mix, which is basically the same thing, pre-measured. Pay no attention to the Macintosh. 1 egg. Right in. And whisk it up. You don't want to whisk it too much. Yes, there will be lumps. But if you beat it to death, then the pancakes will end up kind of chewy. Nobody wants that. The pan is ready for pancakes when, if you drop some drops of water into the pan, they dance around. That's ready. If they lie there and 3 seconds later they start to sizzle, that's not ready. Perfectly circular. It's cooking. It's cooking! Lots of bubbles, lots of bubbles. Bubbles are starting to pop. A little bit of coaxing until it's ready to slide. And once it slides, you can flip it. Voila! When the timer for the bacon goes off, you take your sunflower hot pads, sunflowers for Pixie, grab the bacon, pull it out. I like it well done. everyone will tell you that you can't pour grease down the drain. Like that. That's the thing you can't do. You can't pour the grease down the drain like that. Everyone will tell you. If you get tired of perfectly circular pancakes, the next logical step to take would be to take a basic CNC machine, retrofit it with a grill and a pneumatic system to control the rate of batter dispensing. Simply turn the grill, I like somewhere between medium and low. This is the worst part. You can also use a smaller, more easy to control bowl if you're not in the situation of trying to use a bowl that had been used in a previous video as a callback. You take a canister of batter, put it in the machine, take the pneumatic tube, add it to the top, turn on the electronics, let the whole thing calibrate, and select the design from the SD card that you want to print out in pancake form. It's perfect.